This is my 2004 Thunderbird Royal Enfield. It has the AVL engine, original carburetor, all stock, kept really well. Look at the original shockers which came along with the mean machine, all stocked up, the original tank, the original worked up meter, and it has the original tail light. I had to change these because it got broke. The silencer is a updated one. I've got it aftermarket, all new, all done. It's all dusted up. This is all original stock. Look at the fork, lovely fork. Made a gun on it. And this is stock. This is again stock. I've got this shield on it to look like this. And it looks like for people.